Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. Remember, this is my personal experience with using the platform. OutSystems offers a low-code platform designed to empower organizations to develop and deploy enterprise-grade applications with remarkable speed and efficiency. This platform simplifies the complexities of traditional software development, allowing businesses to create sophisticated solutions even with limited coding expertise. A key feature of OutSystems is its visual development environment. This intuitive interface enables users to drag and drop pre-built components, significantly reducing the time and effort required for coding. This visual approach also promotes collaboration between IT and business teams, ensuring the final product aligns perfectly with business requirements. OutSystems provides robust lifecycle management tools that streamline the entire application development process, from initial design and deployment to ongoing maintenance and updates. These tools facilitate continuous integration and delivery, enabling businesses to adapt quickly to changing market demands and deliver value faster. Scalability is another major advantage of the OutSystems platform. Applications built on OutSystems can be easily scaled to accommodate growing user bases and increasing data volumes. This ensures that your applications can handle future growth without requiring significant architectural changes or costly overhauls. Security is a top priority for OutSystems. The platform incorporates robust security features throughout the application lifecycle, protecting sensitive data and ensuring compliance with industry regulations. This commitment to security provides peace of mind, allowing businesses to focus on innovation and growth. OutSystems supports the development of a wide range of applications, from mobile apps and web portals to complex business process automation solutions. This versatility makes it a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes and across various industries. Exploring their website, you'll find a wealth of resources, including case studies and success stories showcasing the platform's capabilities. I encourage you to delve deeper into OutSystems and see how it can transform your application development process.